That's hot. Sweet. Alright. I already just replaced the throwout bearing. Not throwout bearing, I'm sorry. Pilot bearing, so I won't be needing the extras that came with here. But I will be needing those bolts because don't have them. Lost them. But it's always good to keep these. I mean, I might use them one day. I hope not on this motor again, because this is kind of a pain. These ones are rated for 35 to 80. I'm sorry. These are rated to 35 to 38 foot-pounds of torque. It says to tighten all bolts evenly a 1/4 inch at a time, crisscross pattern until pressure plate is separate, completely drawn up to flywheel. So this has been sitting for a long time. I bought this maybe 6 months ago, and it is gorgeous. It's my first time actually looking at it. It's a little dusty. So, oh, jeezer. I got some cleaning up to do. I'm gonna do that real quick, get some brake cleaner and stuff, and I'll be right back. Okay, now without touching the pressure plate, we want it to say flywheel side. Right there it says flywheel side. And reach in. Actually, okay. Break the paper. Slide that into place. And slide that onto the. Oh yeah, dude. Slide that into the pilot bearing. Nice. Okay. Let that cool off or dry off. Then we're going to get our torque wrench ready to 38 to or 35 to 38 foot-pounds, and then we're going to install 6 bolts. I believe it's 6. Yeah, 6 bolts. I'll be right back. This gonna go down, dude. Doesn't even go down that far. Pressure plate goes on with this handy little tool that this kit comes with. And the next actual clutch plate. These are 35 foot-pounds of torque. Mine doesn't go down that far. It's a big boy torque wrench. So I'm just gonna give it pretty good snug on it. And I'm not gonna put the transmission on tonight, so I might, if I know someone that I can borrow a small torque wrench with, I can probably do it correctly, but we'll see how it goes first, I guess. These are 1/2 inch bolts. Sometimes they can be a pain. I'm just gonna crisscross it all the way until it's snug. You don't want to go too far on one side or the other. At first, you'll do a couple, quite a few turns, but then towards the end, it's like 1 or 2 per bolt until it's all the way down. Okay, once you get it all done, I like to go in order. Start at the top, that's snug. That's snug. Go all the way around. Snug. 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 And snug. So I'm gonna get my hands on a torque wrench and make sure those are all torqued to spec. Get the paint off of there. That's funny. And then, just like that, you got yourself a new clutch. Man, that looks good. This is my first clutch install, so if I did a lot of things wrong, let me know and I'll learn from them. I appreciate the comments.